Welcome to our next Femitech video tutorial. Now, for today's episode, I will be showing you how to configure a Ubiquiti bullet or any Ubiquiti product or Ubiquiti device. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to connect the device to the computer via Ethernet or Cat5 cable. Now, I have already done that, so I just want to take you how to get the device up and running. Of course, now the first thing you need to do is to go to your network setting. Now, as you can see, the Ethernet of course is already attached. Now what they're saying, no network access. That is simply because I have not entered the static IP address that you should enter in your computer. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna click on Ethernet, of course, properties. Now I need to choose an Internet Protocol version 4. Sorry. After it is highlighted, now I'm gonna click on properties. As you can see, it is actually set on automatic. Now what you want to do, you want to set it use the following. So you gonna type in the static one. Now the default one should be 192.168.1.21. Press tab. Of course, the subnet mask. Use the default one. Press tab again. Now the default gateway should be 192.168.1.20. Next, you click OK. Close. Close. Now I should be getting access to the bullet. Now what I will want to do now is to get up a browser page. On the page you're going to type in the default IP, which should be 192.168.1.20. Enter. After clicking enter, now it is now asking me for the password, for the username and password, and of course the default should be UBNT username. The password default is also UBNT. Enter. Now I'm now in my device. So the different tab, main tab, you have the link setup, you have the network, you have the advanced, you have the services, and you have system. These are the tabs. Now in our next episode I will be showing you how to actually configure it in terms of setting up in using this Ubiquiti device or this Ubiquiti bullet in different mode, because of course it can be used as access point here, can be used as station. Of course, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna use this episode to teach you how to configure it. Now starting from the main tab. Now the main tab basically giving you information about the bullet. So if I want to use this bullet as, or I'm going to set it up as a access point, so first you have to go to link setup, and of course access point is choose automatically default for this one. So access point, this is what I will be naming the access point, Femitech Wi-Fi 2. And for this one I use Femitech, no problem. So that is the name for the access point. Next you would want to go down to channel, so you choose whichever channel you want. One is choose as default, so let's just let it stay at 1L. Next we can go to wireless security, any security you want to use. Gonna use none, WEP, gonna choose none. This all depends on the user, which one you want to use. Mac access, you don't have to tick that. I'm gonna tick it. And next episode will be explaining all of that. So this page is pretty much finished. Change. So I'm changing all, making all those changes I made a while ago. Now in terms of apply, you don't want to choose apply now. You will only choose apply after you completely configure this device. So next I'm gonna move on to network. Now network mode, you can allow it to act as a bridge or a router. Now this I'm gonna allow it to act as a bridge. Now the default, the WLAN setting now, this is where you're gonna give it your IP address, and of course mine is 192.168.16.20. enable NA ticket, of course. Enable DHCP server, yes. So that simply means that this device will actually give out IP address automatically, and the starting range for those IP address would actually be from, so you want to have 100, so 192.168.16.100, that is the starting. So this device will not give out any IP address under 16.100. So you're not going to see a computer or a device getting an IP address like that 16.99, that 16.88. No, so the starting is 100, and of course the end range is 200. So only between 100 and 200 this device will give out IP address. Netmask, the default 255.255.255.0, that is the default. Enable DNS proxy, of course, tick it. Port forwarding, no. Now LAN of network setting, please click DHCP. Don't want to click static, you're not using a static. After that is done, of course, change. The final tab is the advanced tab. Rate, you can choose anyone you want to. Noise immunity, need to make it be enabled, tick it. And of course these two, just get them off. Now this is showing you the distance of the bulletin which is going to be traveling. Now basically set it based on the distance that you're going to send in Wi-Fi. Mine actually max it out because I actually supply Wi-Fi for customers or for persons. Multicast rate Mbps, you would want to max out that at 54, so that's the amount of megabyte that is actually pushing out. Enable extra reporting, want to actually tick that. Enable client isolation, don't want to take that. So basically that's it on this page. Everything else is for default. So after doing that, click change, and of course the next step is to of course choosing apply. So now the setting is applying. Now while that is going on, I can simply go back to control panel, network setting, and remove the static address, because I have to remove the static address. Properties, let's see, I wanna go to properties, choose internet protocol version 4 properties. Of course you're gonna put it back to your default. So basically that's it in configuring now. You can check me out on my blog if you want to ask question, if you want a more detailed video. I have no problem doing it. So thanks for tuning.